Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to claim your pending Robux. So firstly, in the browser, go to Roblox, left click, now click on Roblox website. After getting into the Roblox website, make sure that you are logged in with your account and click on the Robux icon and click My Transactions. After going into My Transactions, you will find pending Robux, from which you will be able to see any pending Robux in your account. Pending Robux normally take around 7 to 14 days to get into your account, but sometimes it can take more time. In that case, you have to check a few things. Firstly, check if your email address is verified or not. If it is not verified, make sure to verify your email address as well as your age. Then go to the security tab, and from the two-step verification section, make sure that at least one of the verification methods are active. And even after your Robux are pending, you should contact Roblox support and tell them about your problem. They will be able to process your Robux as soon as possible. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.